Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. And here I am in Berkeley, in such a beautiful, beautiful place. So I will slowly explain you a little bit. This is a Berkeley club, a Berkeley City Club. Used to be Berkeley Woman Club, and it's an architecture. The architect is Julia Morgan, and oh, this is so beautiful. Look at it. Let me slowly explain a little bit. So, I am here inside the courtyard with water fountain there and such hello, good morning, and such a beautiful scene. And many years ago I have read a children's book about Julia Morgan. So she is the designer, or she was the designer for Hearst Castle in California, Death Valley area, in the desert. Anyway, I forgot a little bit where the location is. And so in 1927, Berkeley organized the Women's Club, so that they want to have a club that women can contribute to the social society, to the social cause for the development, well-being of women. And so I think they commissioned Julia Morgan to do the design. And this is a historical landmark of California. And this place is using Moorish design. Oh, and I feel so good. So 2 years ago, we went to Spain, Andalusia. We went to, oh my goodness, I forgot the name. We went to the, where is it? And to see, let me check it out where it is. So, 2 years ago, we went to Spain, we went to Granada, we went to Alicante, and Cordoba, and went to see the museum and went to see the castle. And that was a typical Moorish design. And here I am seeing all this, and this is so typical Moorish design. And beautiful geometric shape, and interwoven. It's kind of difficult to explain. And in Moorish design is very Islamic and Muslim kind of design. And in Islamic art, there is no portrait. They use a lot of this very complicated, sophisticated, and exquisite geometric shape, layering, and separating. It's very mathematical. You can see that window there. It's quite a typical kind of this motif design and the foliage. Sorry, and the foliage inside. Oh, this is so beautiful. And this is the courtyard. And I think one of the Moorish design is using water, and there is always flowing water in their design. So here you can see there is a water fountain, water flowing, and without and with a lot of this big leaf, tropical leafy plants. Oh, this is just perfect. Okay, let's go to another place, the coffee corner. You can have a cup of coffee here, ice machine.
I mean, you can manipulate it. There's almost a, and you know, authenticity to it. Being persuaded means this argument is better